Let's come to the exercise. Exercise 3.1. Question number 1. In a matrix A, my element khara lere, write number 1, the order of the matrix, number 2, the number of elements, number 3, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. Okay. Matrix A and irasical. First write all the elements of matrix A. Matrix A, first row 2, 5, 19, minus 7. Elements of second row 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12. Elements of third row root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Elements of first column 2, 35, root 3. So there are 1, 2, 3 rows. Row kya le rahe? Row home le rahe. And count the number of vertical lines. Rows the home phang rahe. Vertical lines khang do 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 le rahe. 4. And so the order of the matrix is, the order of the matrix A is 3 by 4. Number of rows 3 and the number of columns 4. Number 2 question is the number of elements. The number of elements of a matrix is given by the product of number of rows and the number of columns. So find the product of 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. There will be 12 elements of the matrix A. Number 3. Write the elements of A13. Write the elements of A13. A13 represent element lies in first row and third column. Lies in first row and third column. First row, the first number represent row and the second number represent column. First row and third column. First column, second column and third column. Intersection point puto. 19 lies in the intersection of first column and first row and third column. So element A13 is equal to 19. Then find element A21. Element A21, second row and first column. Second row and first column. 35 later. Element A21 is equal to 35. Then find element A33. A33 is the element lies in third row and the third column. Third row and the third column. Third row and the third column is occupied by this element minus 5. A33 is equal to minus 5. Then find element A24. Element A24. Element A24 is the element of second row and fourth column. Second row and fourth column. This intersection point is occupied by 12. Element A24 is equal to 12. Then find element 23, second row. And this 3 represents column. First column, second column, third column. 5 by 2. A23 is equal to 5 by 2. These are the answer for question number 1. And come to question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? Matrix amagi elements 24 elements later to the possible orders. 24 express 24 is the product of two numbers. 24 se kaide express the 1 into 2. It can also be expressed as 24 into 1. 2 into 12 and 12 into 2. 3 into 8, and it can also be expressed as 8 into 3. This also expresses 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. Matrix study 2 by 3 ga 3 by 2 ga se manade. Matrix of order 2 by 3 is different from matrix of order 3 by 2. 2 by 3 means number of rows 2 and the number of columns 3. In case of 3 by 2, number of rows is 3 and the number of columns is equal to 2. And so 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. They are different orders. This 24 can be expressed as the product of two different numbers. First, 1 into 24, 24 into 1, 12 into 12, 12 into 2, 2 into 12 and 12 into 2, 3, 4, and 8 into 3, 4, 6, and 6, 4. And therefore, the possible orders of a matrix having 24 elements are 1 by 24, 24 by 1, 2 by 12 and 12 by 2, and 3 by 8, 8 by 3, 4 by 6, and 6 by 4. These are the possible orders of a matrix with 24 elements. Next, second part. Last part. What if it has 13 elements? 13 elements leramagadi. Magi possible order se kya oigani hai? 13 elements. 13 is a prime number, so it can be expressed as 1 into 13 or 13 into 1 only. Ani si khatang le 1 ga 3 ga multiply tawba ma natraga 3 ga 1 ga multiply tawba ma. Therefore, the possible orders of a matrix having 13 elements are 1 by 13 ga 13 by 1 ga. 1 by 13 is different from 13 by 1. In case of 1 by 13, number of rows is 1 and number of column is 13. In case of 13 by 1, number of row is 13 and number of column is 1. This is row matrix and this is column matrix. They are of different matrices. Next, question number 4. Question number 3, home assignment. Question number 4. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Aij, whose elements are given by. Question number 4. Construct 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means a square matrix of order 2, whose elements are given by Roman number 1. Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. Sige element yang constructors. Number 1. A. We have to construct all the elements of matrix A of order 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Constructors say number of rows say 2 ne, number of columns say 2 ne. By putting I is equal to number of rows 2 itardi, there will be first row and second row. Number of column is 2. And so the number of columns are ani suragadi, first column lerani, second column lerani. Matrix A. Matrix A ki possible elements era. Write all the elements of matrix A by using the concept of I cross J. I cross J. A11, A12, A11, A12. Next, A21 and A22. Then find these particular values of A11, A12, A21, A22 by using the general rule Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. Now A11 is A11. Here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square divided by 2. 4 by 2. This is equal to plus 2. Then find A12. In case of A12, value of I is 1 and value of j is equal to 2. Then put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2 and whole square divided by 2. 3 square 9, 9 by 2. And also find A21. In case of A21, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1 whole square divided by 2. 9 by 2. And find the value of A22. A22. Value of I is 2 and the value of j is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. Since 2 plus 2 is 4 and square of 4 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And hence values of A are value of A11 plus 2, A12 9 by 2, A21 9 by 2, A2, 2, 8. These are the elements of square matrix A. Then for Roman number 2, Aij. Aij is given by I divided by J. I divided by J. Matrix A. Matrix A. All the possible elements of the matrix A are A11, A12, A21, and A22. See, Oriana Koi Khangre and Aij, whose element is given by the formula Aij. First find A11. A11, here I is equal to 1. J is equal to 1. So 1 divide 1. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Then find A12. I is equal to 1. J is equal to 2. Next find A13. I is equal to 1. J is equal to 3. 1 by 3. A21. This would be A21. A21. Here I is equal to 2. J is equal to 1. 2 divided by 1, 2. Last element A22. I is equal to 2. J is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2. This is equal to 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. We have all the values of A11, A12, A21, A22. Hence, elements of A are. Write all the values of A11, A12, A21, A22 in matrix A. A11, A11, 1, A12, 1 divided by 2, A21, 2, and A22, 1. Next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Roman number 1. Question number 5. We have to construct a matrix of order 3 by 4 whose elements are given by Roman number 1. Aij is 1 by 2 modulus minus I minus 3I plus C. First, construct all the possible elements of matrix A. Number of rows 3. Number of columns is equal to 4. Putting I is equal to 1, 2, and 3. Putting values of J is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, matrix A will be Cartesian product applied to receive A11, A12, A13, A14. Then second, A21, A22, A23, and A24. A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, and A24. A24. Last, elements of third row, A31, A32, A33, and A34. Sige, value na sa putos. Find all the values of A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A2, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A44, A11, A11, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 1 by 2. Modulus of minus 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Next, find A12. Put I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 2 minus 1. 1 by 2. A13. 1 by 2. Put I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 3. Minus 3 plus 3. 0. A14. Value of A14. Value of A14. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 1, 1. 1 divided by 1. 1 by 2 tare. value of a to 1. Value of a to 1. I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. 1 divided by 2. I is equal to 2. So the 2 sila di minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 5 by 2. Then find a to 2. Put I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2. I give value to 2 sila, j give value to 2 sila. 2 sila di minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, 2. And a to 3. Value of a to 3. A to 3. I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3. 1 by 2. Minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is plus 3. 3 by 2. Then find element a to 4. Element a to 4 will be a to 4. Yeah, I give value 2 sila, j give value na 4. Sila sila 1 by 2. I give value sa 2 sen. 2 sen targa di minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 tar. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Then find A31. A31 give value whole. A31. Put I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 1. I give value na 3 sila. 1 by 2. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 is plus 8 divided by 2, 4. A32 is equal to A32 is equal to A32 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 divided by 2. Then A33. Put I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 3 in this expression. 1 divided by 2 minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 9 plus 3 minus 6, 3. Then last A24. A34. Put I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 4. 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is equal to plus 5 by 2. And therefore, matrix A. All the elements of matrix A are A11, 1, A12, 1 by 2, A13, 0, A14, 1 by 2, A21, 5 divided by 2, A22 plus 2, A23, 3 divided by 2, A24 plus 1, A31 plus 4, A32 7 by 2, A33 3, and A34 5 divided by 2. So we can construct all the elements of a matrix of order 3 divided by 4. Question number 2, homework. Roman number 2, homework. Next, question number 6, Roman number 2. Find the values of x, y, z from the following equations. Question number 6, Roman number 1, unit of 0. Question Roman number 2. Matrix x plus y to 5 plus z xy is equal to 6 to 5, 8. Matrix given in left hand side is equal to right hand side by equality of matrices. By equality of matrices we have first element x plus y is equal to 6. Write equation number 1. Then write 5 plus z is equal to 5. Write equation number 2 and xy. And xy is equal to 8. Question number 3. We have 3 equations. Equation 1, 2, and 3. By using these 3 equations, we need to find the values of x, y, and z. From equation number 1. Equation number 1 is involving 2 variables x and y. And equation number 3 is also involving two variables x and y. But equation number 2, it involves only one variable z. So from equation number 2, first find the value of z. 5 plus z, 5. 5 plus z is equal to 5, which implies that value of z is equal to 5 minus 5, 0. Z की value से 0 ओइना फंगे. मथंग next question. Equation number 1 गा 3 गा लेमहर. From equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 6. And find x. X is equal to 6 minus y by transposition. Right, equation number 4. Using this value of x in equation number 3. Right, from equation number 3, x. Replace x by 6 minus y multiplied by y is equal to 8, which implies that 6y minus y into y square is equal to 8, and which implies that 6y minus y square is equal to 8. Minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus plus से transpose already minus 8. Multiplying both sides of the equation by minus 1, we have y square minus 6y. Minus minus plus equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation in y. Here the coefficient of y square is equal to 1. Quadratic equation or then find the factors of this quadratic equation by splitting method. By splitting method, we need to find two numbers whose product is 8 into 1 and their sum will be equal to minus 6. Number ani puthwani, number ani ki product se plus 8. Ani to plus taragana minus 6 tagada. The sum of two numbers is minus 6, which implies that the two numbers are negative number. Negative number ani puthwani, negative number ani to ki product na 8 tagada. Two numbers are minus 4 and minus 2. Y common lore, y minus 4, taking minus 2 common from the last two terms, and we have y minus 4. Taking y minus 4 common from the terms, we have y minus 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies that either y equals to 2 or y is equal to 4. By using these values in equation number 4 for the opposite, if y is equal to plus 2, if y is equal to plus 2, value of x is 6 minus 2, 4. If y is equal to 4, then value of x 6 tagi 4 lagthokradi 2 leme. Therefore, the possible values. Therefore, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 0. Or if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 0. X, y की combination से ani thokna fangan. Next question number 7. Find the values of a, b, c, and d from the matrix equation. Here the matrix equation is matrix left hand side a minus b, 2 times of a plus c, 2 times of a minus b, 3c plus d से minus 1, 5, 0, 13 का manner. Matrix equation and here's first write the matrix equation a minus b, 2 times of a plus c, 2 times of a minus b, 3c plus d is equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13 by equality of matrices. Equality of matrices na kay high corresponding elements should be equal. So a minus b should be equal to minus 1. Write equation number 1. And this element 2 times of a plus c, it should be equal to 5. Write equation number 2. And 2 times of f minus b equals to 0. Write equation number 3. And last element 3 times of c plus d, it should be equal to 13. Write equation number 4. So my interrogate equation marifang. We got 4 equations involving a, b, c, and d. Then check the variables of each equation. Question number 1, it involves two variables a and b. Question number 2, it involves two variables a and c. Question number 3, it involves two variables a and b. Question number 4, it involves c and d. By observing this equation, we know that equation 1 and 3 are involving same two variables a and b. So by using 1 and 3, we can find the values of a and b. From equation number 3 2 times of a. 2 times of a is equal to b. 2 times of a ga b ga manar. Putting the value of b in equation number 1 the half. From equation number 1 the half. A minus b is equal to 2 times of a minus 1. This implies that minus a is equal to minus 1. Multiplying both sides of the equation by minus 1. Here we have value of a is equal to 1. A की value found from equation number 5. Value of b. Value of b is given by 2 times of a. A is equal to 1. A 1 found b की value 2 found. Then by using the value of a in equation number 2 don't have from equation number 2 times of a. Value of a is 1. 2 times of a plus c 5, which implies that c will be equal to 5 minus 2 3 tare. C की value is 3 on found. Then from equation number 4, by putting the value of c in equation number 4, we can find the value of d. D is equal to 13 minus 3 into c. 13 minus 3 into c. Then what is the value of c? Value of c is 3. 13 minus 3, 9. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, and d is equal to 4. Find a, b, c, d की value puthokpa ngame. Last question. Question number 8. Matrix A. Matrix A is a matrix of order m by n. M by n have a matrix amane. Is a square matrix if condition mayamang pire a. M is less than n. Condition B. M is greater than n. Condition C. M is equal to n. Number D. None of this. Sida nangi correct option khandoine. By definition of square matrix, a matrix is said to be square matrix if number of rows and the number of columns are equal. For this case, A is a matrix of order m by n. M by n ni. Magi number of rows se m ni, number of columns na n ni. Adudi m a haiba matrix in a square matrix oige haitar the number of columns should be equal to number of rows, and therefore m is equal to n is the correct option. Option C.